Kevin's got a shit and the damn fire truck drove up. Kevin's got a shit and the damn fire truck drove up and caught him. He got a little bit out, but he got a shit. You gotta go, don't you? Show him. Go,
it's okay.
Just shit.
I'm good.
Just shit.
I'm
Hurry up,
good.
shit. There ain't but one guy in there.
Maybe
Just
they can hook the hose up and wash my ass off.
Just shit. Just go poo poo. Right there, real
Quit.
quick.
I'm good. Stop it.
You only got half of it out. Just go poo poo right there. Come on.
No.
It'll be cool.
I'm Facebooking.
Well, shut the door. It's hot. It's hot right here by this damn air conditioner. Just go finish poo pooing. Now he's gonna finish poo pooing. Look at him. Got him, babe. He's in a bind. The fire truck is right there. They caught him poo pooing. He had to pinch it off. Look at him. He's all red and nervous.